Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter V. To write uppercase V or big V, start at the top and make a line down to the right. Then make a line up to the right. Let's try it again. Down to the right, up to the right. That's the letter V. Now why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase v or small v. Start in the middle and make a line down to the right. Next, make a line up to the right. Let's try it again. Down to the right, up to the right. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter V. Next, let's see what words start with the letter V. V for van. V for vase. V for volcano. Say it again with me. Van, vase, volcano. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter W, please subscribe to EllieFun.